All right, today we're tackling one of the biggest leaps in AI, and that is teaching it not just to answer, but to actually think. We're going to move beyond simple guessing and dive deep into the world of structured reasoning. So let's get right into it.
So here's the big question, right? How do we get an AI to stop just guessing the answer and start, genuinely reasoning its way to a conclusion? This is the fundamental challenge that has led to some absolutely game-changing new techniques.
So for our first chapter, we're going to talk about thinking step by step. Let's start with the revolutionary idea that really laid the foundation for all of this.
To really get why this is such a big deal, you have to understand how most AI models work. At their core, they're basically just next token predictors. They're incredibly good at guessing the very next word in a sentence. But when you throw a complex math or logic problem at them, that guessing game just falls apart. It often leads to answers that are just plain wrong.
And that's where chain of thought, or COT as we'll call it, comes in. You can think of it like telling the AI, hey, don't just give me the answer, I want you to show me your work. It's all about making the AI generate the reasoning steps before it gets to the final answer. The focus is on the process, not just the result.
Yeah, this whole scratchpad idea is absolutely key. It is literally like forcing the AI to show its work before it's allowed to give you the final answer. That way, it's not just guessing blindly, and by justifying each step it takes, its accuracy goes up dramatically. The formula itself is super simple but incredibly powerful. You start with your input, that's the problem. But instead of jumping straight to the output, you insert this crucial step in the middle, a reasoning chain. The AI literally talks itself through the problem step by step, and then it gives the final answer based on all that logic.
And this isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. You can trigger it in a few different ways. For just a quick one-off query, a simple phrase like, let's think step by step, that's called zero-shot COT, is often enough. For more stable, reliable results, you can actually provide a few examples, which we call few-shot COT, and for really complex AI agents that have to juggle multiple tools, programmatic COT gives them a strict, numbered list of instructions to follow.
Okay, moving on to Chapter 2, exploring every option. Now, a single line of thought is a fantastic start, but it has one really big weakness. And here is that weakness. What happens if the AI makes a mistake on the very first step? Well, in a linear chain, one bad assumption right at the beginning can send the entire process flying off a cliff. This is what we call a hallucination cascade, where one little error leads to another and another and another, and it's a huge problem.
The solution is a much more advanced architecture. Tree of Thought, or TOT. Instead of just following one single path, the model explores multiple reasoning paths all at once. It evaluates each one as it goes, and, this is the crucial part, it can backtrack if a path leads to a dead end.
I want you to picture a flow chart in your head. The AI starts down one path, realizes, uh-oh, this is a dead end, and then it just metaphorically erases that path and goes back to try another branch. It's actively exploring an entire tree of possibilities to find the single best one.
This all works on a constant loop. First, it proposes several potential next steps. Then, it evaluates each one, kind of grading them as good, maybe, or nope, impossible. Finally, a search algorithm kicks in and decides which of the promising branches to explore next. It's this cycle of generating ideas and then pruning the bad ones, over and over again.
All right, Chapter 3, the chain versus the tree. Now let's put these two powerful ideas head-to-head and see how they stack up.
This comparison really makes it crystal clear. Chain of thought is linear, right? It's like a single road. Tree of thought is a whole branching network of roads. This means COT has a really hard time self-correcting. If it gets on the wrong road, it's pretty much stuck. But TOT can always backtrack and try another route. That's exactly why COT is great for straightforward math and simple logic, while TOT just crushes it at complex puzzles and strategic planning.
But all of this power, well, it comes at a price, a big one. Exploring all of those branches means a huge increase in cost and, of course, time. A single tree of thought query can easily take 30 seconds or more to run. And that's why you'd use it for high-stakes, offline tasks like a security audit or writing complex code, and not for your everyday chatbot.
So here's the bottom line. Think of chain of thought as a straight road. It's perfect for fast, simple journeys. Tree of thought, on the other hand, is like navigating a complex maze. You need it for those big, messy problems where you have to explore every possible path to find the one correct exit.
And that really leaves us with a fascinating final thought. When an AI can explore every single possibility before it decides to act, what kinds of massive problems in science, in engineering, even in global strategy suddenly become solvable? The possibilities are pretty staggering.